Did you know the Omega Seamaster was tested deeper than the Mariana Trench itself? Take a look at how Omega Seamaster watches are made as ocean-proof engineering meets Swiss perfection. Amazingly, each and every Seamaster case undergoes laser welding and vacuum sealing to withstand over 1,000 meters of simulated deep-sea pressure. This extreme tolerance begins long before polishing because it starts with the metal itself. Omega selects corrosion-resistant stainless steel or titanium billets, forged under immense pressure to eliminate microscopic flaws. Each blank is then precision milled by robotic cutters, carving the signature twisted lugs and beveled contours that define the Seamaster's identity. The case is hardened, brushed, and polished in multiple stages, alternating between human craftsmanship and computer-calibrated exactness. Even the smallest imperfections are rejected. If the light doesn't glide perfectly along its curves, it's reworked from scratch. This fusion of raw metallurgy and microscopic precision is what transforms ordinary steel into a shell fit for the ocean's depths. Because what comes next pushes water resistance and human craftsmanship further than ever imagined beneath the waves. Omega's valve allows trapped helium to escape without damaging the crystal, which is a feature once used by professional divers on North Sea oil rigs. This innovation isn't for show. It's born from real danger faced by saturation divers working hundreds of meters below. When divers spend days inside pressurized habitats, helium molecules from their breathing gas seep into the watch case. During ascent, that gas expands, and without controlled escape, the crystal could literally pop off. Omega's engineers developed the signature 10 o'clock helium escape valve, a miniature pressure regulator that vents excess gas while maintaining total waterproof integrity. Each valve is tested in hyperbaric chambers that replicate the conditions of deep-sea rigs, with precision instruments monitoring every microsecond of pressure change. It's a tiny component, but it separates survival from failure when time itself is tested under the sea. Because the Seamaster's dial, the next chapter of its identity, must reflect the same obsession with depth and detail. Every wave pattern is unique, and not even two dials share the exact same laser path. That is because the Seamaster's iconic wave dial isn't stamped or painted. It's born from beams of light. Omega uses advanced laser etching to carve micro-precise waves into a blank brass plate, layer by layer, until a dynamic topography emerges, one that plays with light like ripples across the ocean floor. Each dial is then coated with multiple layers of enamel or lacquer, depending on the model, giving it depth and color that shift subtly under different angles. Even the luminous indices are applied by hand, filled with superluminova that glows like bioluminescent plankton in the dark. Before assembly, the dial undergoes visual inspection under magnification to catch even microscopic dust or distortion. Unlike many competitors, to Omega, a flawless dial isn't decoration, but more of an emotional signature of craftsmanship and precision. Because the hands that glide across this dial are just as meticulously shaped, balanced, and finished. The loom used in Seamasters glows for up to 8 hours, triple the industry standard. Every hand, every marker, every microscopic edge is crafted for survival in total darkness. Under magnification, artisans use precision tools to apply superluminova onto the indices and skeletonized hands, ensuring the glow remains consistent even hundreds of meters underwater. The hands are skeletonized not just for design, but to minimize weight and balance perfectly with the movement beneath. Once the loom is set, the components are baked at controlled temperatures to stabilize brightness and longevity. Even a single dust particle or uneven fill can fail Omega's inspection. It's that uncompromising. The result is a dial that can guide divers through pitch-black depths or shimmer elegantly in the daylight, always legible, always ready. And beneath that glowing dial lies the true heart of the Seamaster. This is the movement that never stops beating under pressure that would crush others. Amazing fact: the Co-axial system was invented by George Daniels and perfected by Omega after 20 years of research, which is a breakthrough that changed mechanical watchmaking forever. Inside Omega's in-house caliber, every component is engineered for near frictionless motion. Traditional escapements rely on constant sliding contact, wearing down over time. This coaxial design, however, uses a system of 3 pallets that dramatically reduce surface friction, extending both accuracy and longevity. Each movement is hand-assembled under clean room conditions, where the tiniest speck of dust can disrupt precision. Once complete, the caliber is adjusted across multiple positions to ensure consistency, whether it's on the wrist or diving hundreds of meters below. It's an orchestra of engineering, performing in silence until pressure demands perfection. Because even a movement this advanced must survive the extremes of real ocean testing and human endurance alike. All of this is not just a sales tactic, as each Seamaster is individually pressure tested underwater. And we aren't talking batch testing at all. Once the movement passes certification, it's carefully united with the dial and hands, then fitted inside the meticulously sealed case. Skilled technicians put on these anti-static gloves and lower the assembled watch into water tanks that are designed to replicate the crushing pressures of the deep. Tiny sensors measure the slightest change in internal air pressure. And at that point, even if there is even a micro leak, that would mean immediate disassembly and resealing. On top of that, the helium escape valve is checked manually to ensure flawless operation during decompression. Unlike mass-produced watches, Omega refuses shortcuts. Every single Seamaster faces its own private ocean trial before earning its name. It's a fusion of pure craftsmanship and science, but only once built to survive what humans can barely endure. Because only after a Seamaster proves it can conquer the sea, does Omega allow it to meet the light of day. Unknown to many, before leaving the factory, each watch is signed off by a single Omega watchmaker whose initials remain on internal records forever. This moment sparks the Seamaster's transformation from precision instrument to heirloom. The final inspection takes place in a silent, brightly lit room where every reflection is examined, every bracelet link aligned to millimeter perfection. Artisans perform the last Zaratsu-style polish on the lugs, ensuring mirror symmetry with no distortion. The caseback engraving, the iconic hippocampus, is laser cut and then hand brushed for depth and texture, a tribute to Omega's maritime heritage since 1957. Once approved, the watch is placed in its presentation box, alongside its master chronometer certification and serial documentation. No unit is anonymous. Every Seamaster carries a traceable history of hands that built it. But beyond the flawless steel and sapphire lies Omega's deeper mission, where innovation dives even further beneath the surface of time itself. Which part of the Seamaster's creation impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments.